Next, we continue with MapReduce and Yarn. Uh, it is MapReduce and Yarn. The different clients can be make request from the job tracker, which becomes a arbitrator for the allocation resources. There are the limitation within the limitation within this existing map reduce model. First, the program of paradigm, the programming paradigm is the nicely suited to applications where there is a locally between the processing and the data, but applications that demanded data movement and rapidly become bogged down by the network latency issued. The second one is not all applications are essentially mapped to the MapReduce model. It application developed using the alternative programming methods would still need the MapReduce system for the job management. The third allocation is uh, allocation of processing nodes within the cluster is fixed through allocation of certain needs as map slots versus unreduced slots. When the computation is weighted toward one of the faces and nodes assigned to the other faces are largely unused, the resulting in processor underutilization. This is being the addressed in future version of the uh, Hadoop through the segregations of duties within the revision called an yarn. The yarn is an yet another resource negator. In these approaches, right, the yarn approaches is overall resource management has been centralized while management of resource at each node is now performed by a local node manager. In addition, um, the application of master associated with each application that directly negated with the central resource manager for the resource while talking over the responsibilities for the uh, monitoring progress and tracking status. The pushing the responsibility to the applications to allow the greater flexibility in the assignment of resource as well as to be more effective in scheduling to improving the node utilization. Last, the an approach allowed to applications to be better aware of the data allocations across the topology of the resource within the cluster. This awareness allows for the improved collection of compute and data resources, reducing the data mention and consequently reducing and delays associated with the data access lattices. The result should be increased in scalability of performance. The next thing is a map reduce programming model. We can use the Hadoop map reducing programming model as an example. One can read more about MapReduce at Apache MapReduce tutorial pages. The note that the MapReduce, which can be used to develop a application to read, analyze the transform and share the massive amount of data, is not database system but rather than programming model.